Teachers, I know you have PDFs galore. From chapters of textbooks, worksheets, and other material, it's a wealth of knowledge and lesson content. You can open up these PDFs right inside of PowerPoint, but that just gives you an uneditable slides in the same PDF dimensions. So today, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to turn any PDF into a brand new, fully editable PowerPoint presentation, built from the information inside of your PDF. To do this, you'll need an AI tool. I'm going to be using Edcafe AI to extract the key ideas from your PDF and automatically build that clean, organized slide deck. So then we'll just take it one step further using ClassPoint, the PowerPoint add-in to make your presentations interactive with live student responses. So let's dive in. First, we're going to get started with Edcafe AI, a free teaching website for teachers with a ton of different tools for you to create content for yourselves and your students. But of course, we're going to be focusing on that slide deck feature here to turn those static PDFs into editable slides in a snap. So to go ahead and get started, you can create your account at edcafe.ai, and then in our Create New, we'll click on Slide Deck. From here, you can go into Files and just drop in your PDF that you want the AI to analyze all that text from and create a PowerPoint presentation. So I can just click to upload, and I have a PDF on urban geography here. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So we have lots of different information here that will be analyzed so that we can create our slide. So this process might look a little bit different if you're using a different AI tool, but it is all very similar. Just drop in your file and you'll be able to create that PowerPoint. So to make this PowerPoint presentation fit for your classroom and exactly what you need, we can add some additional instructions. So these additional instructions can be whatever that you need to fit your classroom. So for our example here, we want to engage our students analyzing those urban systems, sustainability, and challenges in modern cities. We want to include a case study example with some questions like multiple choice, word cloud, and slide drawing throughout the presentation. So in that way, we can get those interactive live student responses throughout our presentation, which will be after we create our PowerPoint deck. So from there, we can select the number of slides that you want to create, your language, and then also a theme. So let's see if there's a good green one here for sustainability, and then we can just go ahead and generate. So as it's generating, you're able to see all of the text and images that appear on screen. Once the generating is done, we can actually edit our PowerPoint slides. So that's what's great about Edcafe is you can do all the editing right away and then further edit once you export into your preferred format, as in PowerPoint, which we'll do next. So we can take a look here, look at our images. You can always edit and adjust. You can change the position or even replace the image. So these images are just a Google search, or you can create an image with AI image or upload one from your device. This image looks fine, so let's go ahead and leave that, but we can just change up the position so that it's a little bit different there, and we can make this title a little bit smaller. Perfect. Now we can scroll through and review the rest of our presentation. So you see that we have our text, all of your different content, and you can edit and adjust this as needed if you want to change up any information. Along with this regenerate slide, if there's anything you want to improve, just go ahead, type that in here, and AI will help you adjust that slide. But let's scroll down to the bottom here and see our different activities. So you do have a warm-up activity here and an exit ticket on this slide, which is great. We ask for those different things, and we have some other questions listed throughout our slide deck as well. So now that all the editing is done, let's go ahead and give it a save. So in that way we can export it so that we can present to our students. So once it's saved, we can check out those export options. So you'll see in this drop down here, you can export it into your preferred format, which is PowerPoint or Google Slides. So let's go ahead and download it as a PowerPoint file here. And once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and open this up inside of PowerPoint. And you'll be able to see that it has transferred all of the formatting, the text, those images into PowerPoint. So then you can go ahead and continue editing as needed. So we can go through and adjust any text boxes that might be needed to be moved, along with adding any transitions or animations that you might want to use to keep things a little bit more interactive. And speaking of interactive, let's go ahead and add in some interactive questions onto our slides. So then that way we can get student responses that look a little bit something like this throughout our presentation. To add those interactive questions into your slide deck, we're going to be using the tool ClassPoint. So ClassPoint is a free PowerPoint add-in that downloads seamlessly inside of PowerPoint, so that way you can go ahead and add in those interactive questions. So you can download and install for free at classpoint.io. Once that's done, you'll see we have our PowerPoint tab, or in our PowerPoint ribbon, we have the ClassPoint tab, so we can add those questions in. So for this warm-up activity, let's go ahead and only do one of those questions and actually move this slide up to the top since it's a warm-up activity. And we can go ahead and maybe let's just make this a word cloud. So then that way students, we can kind of see all of their different options for those urban challenges. You'll see that the side panel opened up, so then that way you can customize that word cloud question. But let's go ahead and add in one multiple choice for our exit ticket at the end. So here I can just click multiple choice. We have our button on the slide. We have A, B, C, D, which is 4 options. And let's go ahead and add in our correct answer, which is B here. Excellent. Now that the interactive questions are added in, when we start our presentation, we can interact with our students. So we can go ahead and select this multiple choice button and start receiving their live responses. Once all of the responses are in, we can also go ahead and show that leaderboard to see how students are ranking throughout class. For more information on students joining your class and creating those different question types, take a look at the videos linked up above and down below. And that's it. So quickly have you converted a PDF into a PowerPoint file. Save you time and energy while still providing your students with an engaging, dynamic lesson. Give it a try and let us know what you think of Edcafe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your teaching with AI tools in the classroom.